Well, what's the hype about the ceramic coating? They say it lasts from 3 years to 5 years. Some even are claiming 9 to 10 years. But guys, this graphene coating from Atom Polishes failed in less than 2 years. Let's find out why. So how's it going, guys? Welcome back to my channel and thanks for tuning in today. For today I have this Toyota Venza that has a failed ceramic coating on top of it. Yes, the Adams graphene coating that I'm a big fan of, but this coating on this car failed. So guys, sit back, relax, enjoy the show, and let's start details. First thing first, I bought this new brush that is from Suds Lab. Well, it's a disappointment. Stick to easy detail brushes, they are the best. So whenever I start a detail, I always start with the wheels because they are the dirtiest parts of the vehicle. They actually collect a lot of dust, dirt, grime and everything. So you want to clean them first and then move on to the paint. And this car was ceramic coated, even the wheels as well. Now ceramic coating for the wheels doesn't last that long because it is cleaned with more heavier cleaners because the wheels are dirty. So ceramic coating on the wheel may last anywhere from a year to 1.5 years max if you protect it properly. And the brush that I bought, that is a Suds Lab, that brush actually all the solution comes back on your face because the bristles are pretty tight or they're rough. And easy detail brush on the other side is very gentle. It does the job, and the fibers are also, the brushes are very soft. They don't fling back so much of solution on your face. So all the links to the product that I'm using in this detail are all listed in the description down below. Check them out. Sorry guys, the neighbors across the street, their alarm went off for some reason and it kept going on for a while. They were not at home. So back to the detail, I have this small Descale sample that was given to me and I just wanted to try it on this paint because this was absolute dirty car and this car drives on the gravel road a lot. So I wanted to test out how does Descale work. So I put half of it in the foam cannon and the other half went into the bucket. So guys, this car was actually really dirty and it needed to get a proper wash done before seeing how the ceramic coating was holding. This is Manzana's car wash shampoo, and I'm not really satisfied with it because in the bucket the suds disappear really fast, and in the foam cannon it doesn't produce much suds either. So this stage I let the foam dwell on the paint one more time, and then after that I do my contact wash. And while I am doing the contact wash, I pay attention to the panels. Is the water breaking off or the soap breaking away in the panel? This will tell me how the coating is working. Not all the details make it onto YouTube, just like this one. The interior detail was done on this car as well because the leather seats are ceramic coated, and this owner has a husky, so it's always satisfying when I pull out all the hair from the carpet. So guys, go over and check out my Instagram page. There I post all the before and after pictures, and sometimes I post some reels over there that are super satisfying. So go check out my Instagram and follow me there as well. After the contact wash, that is using a mitt to wash all the panels, I rinsed off the paint, and then I realized that the lower portion of the vehicle, the coating was still not performing well because the hydrophobic properties were not there. The water was still flat on the panels, but the upper portion were doing really good because all the water was beating off. So then next step I decided was to use iron Decon using Car Pro iron remover. This product is really good, it works really well. And then after that I did clay bar on the lower portions of the vehicle, so at least I can break off any kind of contaminants that were sticking to the coating. This way the coating can be really cleaned properly, and then the hydrophobics will be back. So the big question is, did the ceramic coating fail on this paint? No, the ceramic coating is still there, only it is clogged because the car drives on gravel road a lot, and then maintenance washes for this vehicle is about 3 to 4 months, maybe even more sometimes. Maintenance washes is the key to keep your ceramic coating to last however long it's supposed to last, 3 years, 5 years, or even 7 years. But I tell my customers, let's give ceramic coating 5 years. All the elements that are out there when you drive on gravel road, like this car, it parks outside 24/7, doesn't see garage much, so all these affect the coating. I have a customer that parks a Cadillac Escalade 24/7 outside. It comes to me for monthly washes, and guys, the coating is working as though I just applied it yesterday. That's how good the coating is working. The key is maintenance washes, and every 2 to 3 months I do apply a booster onto the ceramic coating. I use Car Pro Hydro Foam. It restores the hydrophobic properties onto the ceramic coating. It protects it, and then all add up to how to maintain your ceramic coating. And guys, if you are with me this long, make sure to comment down below and let me know what you think. Now that the full wash is done to the vehicle, and after drying the car, I make sure to dry the wheels as well. And for that I have a little trick. If you want to dry your wheels properly, just spray quick wax on a towel and just make sure to go over the wheel. It does not scratch it, it does not do any damage to the wheels, and you have no water spotting. So guys, if you enjoyed the video, all the products that I used in this detail, the towel, the soaps, or any product that you're looking for, are all listed in the description down below. Watch till the end. The end results are amazing. The hydrophobic properties were back, the gloss, the shine, everything was back, and this car was back to brand new. Just like always guys, I'll definitely see you on the next one.